Most membership organizations run on 5 separate tools: one for membership, one for events, one for newsletters, a website nobody keeps up to date, and a spreadsheet for everything else. None of them talk to each other, so the same member gets typed in 5 times and nothing ever quite reconciles. Veldun replaces all 5 with one connected platform. What follows is a working build, populated with sample data for a fictional bar association, so you can see exactly how it fits together. Simple flat monthly pricing, no setup fee, and no surcharge on the dues your members pay. Let's start with what the public sees. This is your public website, designed, built, and kept up to date for you, so there's no separate site to maintain and no web developer to hire. Everything the public sees lives here: who you are, your upcoming events, and how to join. Now let's start where your members start. This is your public join page. A prospective member picks a membership tier, enters their details, and pays their dues online in one flow. No paper forms, no chasing checks. Payments go straight into your organization's own bank account, and every new member lands directly in your directory. We set up the payment processing during onboarding, and you keep the full dues amount. Your events all live here too. The public can browse what's coming up and buy tickets without an account. And unlike a standalone ticketing tool, every registration sits right alongside your member data. Members can be given a discounted rate automatically. Ticket revenue goes directly into your account, the same as dues. Now the side only your board sees, the admin dashboard. Everything from here on runs on the sample dataset. The assistant watches your data and surfaces what needs attention. Here, a gala save the date still sitting in draft, memberships that lapsed last month, and new members waiting on approval. On your real data, it spots the same patterns as they happen. The member directory is searchable and filterable, with full profiles, payment history, and tags for cohorts like law students, the gala committee, or new admissions. Newsletter subscribers who aren't full members live in their own list, reachable from the same email tools, kept separate from your dues-paying members. Creating an event is one sentence. Watch this. Coffee meetup for the membership committee next Thursday morning, 8 to 9 a.m. Capacity 15. Title, date, time, venue, capacity, all filled in from one line of text. You review and publish. Newsletters work the same way. From a single prompt, the assistant builds a full draft. Here, one that leads with a gala save the date, the upcoming events, and a renewal reminder. Full HTML, branded, ready to review. When you send, you choose the audience. Everyone, a single tag, subscribers only, any combination. And the platform never sends an email without a person saying yes. Sponsors attract here too, with their history, and you generate a sponsorship invoice in one click, instead of editing a Word document by hand. As a renewal approaches, the platform flags each member with an engagement score, so you know at a glance who'll renew on their own versus who needs a call from a board member. And your documents live in a secure portal. Board members see board minutes, admins see financials, the public sees neither. Access is configurable per document. That's Veldun, your membership, events, newsletters, dues, and documents in one place, with AI doing the busy work. We build you a private version populated with your own data so you can click through it before deciding anything. We migrate you from your current tools, and your data is always exportable, on the platform or off it, whenever you're ready.